Interested in making money online just by clicking on ads, okay, then you are in the right video. In this video I'm going to show you an amazing website which is 100% legit and which pays you money just for clicking on ads. Okay, this is gonna be something which is really awesome, as well as this is not something on which you can just click one ad and make thousands of dollars. No, but you can probably make 50 to 100 bucks every single month if you regularly work on this platform, okay, for a long period of time. I'm not gonna say that it's gonna make you rich, but if you are a kid who just wants to make money online, or someone who has never made a dime online, then this can be something which can help you start your make money online journey, and you can earn your first dollar online with this platform. So now let's get started and let's jump into our PC screen so that I can show you the particular platform. So you can see this platform is known as adve.com and it is getting 140,000 visitors every single month. So a lot of people are working on this website and really earning some money. That's the reason why all these people are over here. Okay, and let me show you the platform, as well as let me show you the payment proofs of the people who are working on this website and making money. Now you can see this guy is earning over, this guy has earned over $8.31. They pay you through Payer, Perfect Money, Ethereum, Bitcoin, all this stuff. Okay, so they can pay you money with all this, and all these people have earned this money. You can see this guy has earned almost $94 from this website and 75 cents. Okay, I'm not gonna say that you are gonna earn this kind of money in just a single day, but if you work on this platform, if you click on the ads regularly, then you can just make this kind of money. Okay, and all these people are real people who have earned money from this platform. They are giving all the payment proofs, so it is something which is really awesome. And you can see over 1,000 people are paid from this website. Okay, so you can also come and join this website. This is a relatively new website, so there is a chance that you will be getting paid good money because it's relatively new. Once it gets old, maybe the website may close down, but for now it is paying money, so it is the best bet for you. Go sign up, it is absolutely free and you can be making some good money just by signing up. That's some of the best things about this website. You just need to go to this member area. Okay, you can go to this member area and then you can just sign up over here. Okay, you can see advertisement viewing. Okay, we offer users the opportunity to earn money by watching ads. All our advertisers are willing to pay for the visitors who visit the ad. Okay, and you can see pay the visits high payment. Okay, you can get high payment for it. Okay, and I'm seriously saying that this website pays you good. Our customer without it is without investment get a bonus of $0.5 when you sign up. Okay, that is really cool. As well as you can see by BAP, okay, that's not the thing, but you can see get an opportunity to earn up to $3.55 per click. So that is your big opportunity on this website. You can earn this kind of money from this website. Okay, so you can see you don't need to buy this BAP points. All you need to do is do this, watch 9 ads every single day and you can get profit. As well as this has also got a referral program. So if you are going to refer your family, your friends, or someone who is just like you, who is a beginner in making money online and he is willing to earn his first dollar online to gain some confidence, then this can be one of the best programs which you can share with your friends or family members so that they can sign up from your referral link, and so that you can earn extra money from that which is one of the best thing. Okay, and you can see it's a new relatively good platform. You can definitely go sign up and earn some money. Okay, and as well as it's really simple to and easy to navigate this platform. You can just click on this login sign up button. Okay, and then a sign up form will appear to you. You just need to name yourself over here. Okay, then your awesome email address has to be over here, then your username has to be password. You have to re-enter that password. You just select. Okay, if you don't have any of this account for Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin, you just need to have to create wallets for Bitcoin. Just go to Google and search for Bitcoin wallet and you will find Coinbase or blockchain. from which you can create Bitcoin wallet, or you can create an account in Perfect Money or Payer. Okay, and definitely then you just have to click on this. If you are a robot, then you cannot work on this website, but if you are a human being just like me, then you can definitely work on this website, agree everything, okay, and then sell your soul to this website, and then click on this register, okay, and that's it. And then you can start earning money from this website, which is really simple, easy. A lot of people are really working on this website. I'm not gonna guarantee that this website is going to be a long-term website for you to earn money online, but for short-term money, and if you really are interested in getting some pocket money for yourself, 10, 20, $30 monthly, or in a week, then this is one of the thing which you can do. Okay, so you can just click on this ads on this website and earn your money, gain your confidence, earn your first dollars online. This is absolutely a website for beginners, so you can definitely start and earn some money on this website. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you got some value out of this video, smash the like button, okay, smash the like button, as well as smash the subscribe button, which will be available downwards. Okay, so you just need to click on that and turn it into gray color, and also press the bell icon which will appear next to it, and select all notifications, so you will get all the notifications whenever I upload this type of awesome videos just for you, so that you can make money online. And that's the goal of my channel. Okay, so see you in the next awesome video.